Megan, plane setup is so important, and I'd like to be able to reduce tear out and be able to get all I need out of my hand planes. Have you got some ideas for me?
Well, one thing that you can do is set your chip breaker really close to the edge of your plane blade. And Rhett Fulkerson, who's a plane maker in Frankfort, Kentucky, showed us this trick when he was here in the shop a few weeks ago. And it's really almost foolproof, and it's quick and it's easy, and I recommend it to anybody who needs to set up their plane with the chip breaker close to the edge. So why don't I show you?
All right, let's get close to the edge.
Okay, so I've got my number 3 here, which I like to use for smoothing. And what I want to do is set the chip breaker closer to the cutting edge here.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to take a feeler gauge and a flat surface, and I'm going to tape the feeler gauge down on the wood here. And just make sure your piece is really flat. And this is so simple. You're just going to loosen the screw here. Now I'm going to take the sharp cutting edge here, at least I hope it's sharp, and press it up against the back of the feeler gauge here, and I've got a .007, a 7 thou feeler gauge here. You can go down to as thin as 5 thou or so. Much closer than that, you might be causing yourself more trouble than harm. Good though. So I am just going to press the edge of the cutting, the blade here, up against the edge of the chip breaker, and just drop the chip breaker. I need to loosen that a little more. Drop the chip breaker down onto the feeler gauge, and if I have a camber in my blade, which I do here, I want to press in the middle to make sure I have it mating parallel to the highest point on the edge, and then I just tighten the screw back down, and that's it, and you're done. So you're going to get the setting you want with a perfectly parallel edge every time, and having that chip breaker up near the front is going to help you reduce tear out.
So you don't have to hold it in the air and kind of guess.
Right. And until Rhett showed us this, I was always holding it up and trying to guess and feeling side to side, making sure it was parallel. But this really makes it so quick, so
perfectly
fast.
referenced.
Perfectly referenced every time.
That's great. I can't wait to get back to my shop and try this on my planes.
Great.
Thank you, Megan.
Sure.